Hello everyone, I hope everyone is doing well. Today I'm going to show you how to change or replace the windshield wiper motor for 2012 Toyota Prius. Yeah, so first of all, I just actually took off the bolts right here. There's one here and one here and one here, and then what we're gonna do is move this part, this block part right here. It's gotta be moved. So you just need a screwdriver. As you can see here, this one I took it off already, but it was just placed in there. Just put the screwdriver in here and pull it up, take it off. This is that part, and then you go to this side too and you do the same thing. Just try to pull it up. It's actually this is that's out. Now it's time to remove this part. I think there is a screw somewhere in here. Yeah, this has nothing to do. And what you can do is basically take this off. I just open it right now. It's this corner here. Just put a screwdriver in there and put it up, just like that. Take it off. Take this off. With them, I always prefer to put everything that I took off in one side, so later on when I'm putting everything back, find them together, not apart. Okay, and then yeah, just pull it down here, this side, and keep going the same way on this side. Just pull it. That's it. And it's off right now, as you can see. Now we can see the motor right there, and it's plugged in, as you can see here. And in order to replace that, you have to open it. You open this part right here. So there is a bolt right here, that's 10. This one. That means there are 4 right here. Take them off, flip it out, and then you will see that there's 3 screws on the other side that you need to take off. And then you put a new one, and hopefully it'll work as it should. Now, like I said, there's 1, 2, 3, and 4 right there. So here, just start opening that. 1, 4. Right, everything should be out right now. Just guys, be careful when you take this off to do any mess that you need to do again after that. All right. So, right. Now that we took those screws off, just pull it out and plug it, and then flip it so you can do the other job. There is like a rod right here. That's to adjust this whole part to be in place. So don't forget to do it back later. Put this back in place. All right. Yeah. So that's kind of like right here. Just see, kind of flip this and slide it that way. Take that out. Now it's out. Alrighty. We have this one right here that needs to be plugged out. And then now it's plugged out. As you can see here, in order to know that this is the problem. You're gonna plug the other one, the new one here, plug the new one, and then turn the car on and see there's a, let me flip it. When you flip it this way, what you can see is this. There's 1, 2, should be 3. Yeah, there's the third one under that, because we need to remove this part so we can get to the other screw. But this is the motor. This is the what moving all of these parts. So just make sure don't move anything, because after that, when you replace the new one, if you move them and they're not in place, then your wipers will not be in a good position. They might pass the lines. Open this, put it in place, put it back, don't keep moving it, and yeah, that's how it works. Let's just do that right now. And we're gonna bring the other motor, put it in there, and see if this bolt is moving. If it's moving, that means this motor is bad. We can change it. If it's not moving, then it's gotta be another problem. Maybe the plug or anything else. Now, like I said, before you put everything in there, the new one, just plug it in like I did, and you gotta see this one turning. If it's turning, that's 100% this motor, the old one was bad. And then, yeah, just put it in place and you're done. By the way, guys, this is 14 and these are 10. So, just to make sure. Yeah, like I said, we just open this one, put it in there, not moving it, and now we're doing this. 1, 2, 3. Alright. Just be careful. Alright. Set everything together. Now just remove the old one. That. Just the old one. Away, you get the replacement one. We already tried it, so it's gonna work for sure. Alrighty, the new one is in place. Now the only thing we're gonna do is just plug it in. Just plug it in with these screws back here, and pretty much it. Then you put the wipers again, and it's we already tried, it was working, so nothing to worry about anymore. And just remember, guys, before you put this back here, it's not gonna fit if you don't put it in there. You gotta slide it in there first. So that part gotta go in there, just like this. Just watch it. All right, see, it's in there now. And just slide it in like that. Now it's put in position. Just screw it back. That's it. Alrighty, thank you guys for watching, and I hope I'll see you in another video.